Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making sure both devices speak the same language, updated software, and the same Apple ID. Plug your iPhone into the MacBook Air with the cable, or enable Wi-Fi sync in Finder now. Open Finder and select your iPhone in the sidebar. Grant trust prompts on the iPhone. Once done, choose which data types to sync: music, photos, backups, so you control storage and transfer time rather than letting defaults decide. You now configure specifics. Click each tab in Finder for General, Music, Photos, and Files. For Photos, choose Import Options or use iCloud Photos. For Music, pick Playlists or Entire Library. If you want a local copy, select Encrypt Backup for passwords and health data. This keeps sensitive info safe. Make sure to toggle Automatically Sync when this iPhone is connected if you want hands-free updates. Otherwise, use Manual Sync. You finish by clicking Apply or Sync and watching the progress bar. Do not disconnect until it reaches 100%. After completion, verify transferred content in Photos, Music, and Files. If something goes wrong, restart both devices and retry with an original Apple cable or alternate port, then test Wi-Fi sync. One quick troubleshooting tip. If backups or transfers fail, sign out and back into iCloud on both devices. That often reestablishes permission.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.